Good morning, everybody. Happy Easter 2021.
Happy Easter.
Today is Olivia's first Easter.
And Charlotte's fourth Easter.
Charlotte's fourth Easter. Okay, we're gonna go inside right now.
Did you forget my little guy?
Oh, this is Charlotte's little friend.
He's a seal.
He's a seal. She got him yesterday.
Hello. Hi. Hello.
Okay, can we go
Charlotte,
inside?
do you think that the Easter Bunny came?
Yeah.
You do?
I think I'm a really good girl.
Yeah?
Let's go.
Okay, let's peek out. Let's do it quiet. Let's peek out.
Oh.
Yeah.
Only us, cause. Round. It's follow.
Okay.
Charlotte, what is that?
Here, what?
It's cool. Daddy, Mommy.
Daddy?
What is this?
Present.
What is this? Hold on,
Charlotte, what are these?
Wow.
Oh,
Charlotte, look!
wow.
Charlotte! He came? Wait, where do all these footprints go?
Wow. Let's follow the footprints. Come on.
Do you think these were his
I
footprints?
think it's over there. It's follow
Or
them.
maybe the balcony when he left.
I think you have to step on them. Cause
I think that's probably when he left,
well,
right?
my feet's not bigger than yours.
Look, they went out the door. Maybe that's how we got in. Maybe through the balcony he came in while you were sleeping.
Charlotte, how did he get in here? How
Look,
did the
the
Easter Bunny
footprints
get in
end by
here?
the door.
Well, the footprints end by the door. Wow.
Here? No, that's my bag. This one.
I think it's the presents are in there. I think that's where he left.
How about we get the presents on the table?
Should we check out?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Hi, Olivia.
I wonder what the
Hi.
Easter Bunny could have brought you. This one says Sweet Little Princess.
That's me.
Is that you or is that Olivia?
That's me.
Can you pick that up?
Let's see what's in there. You want to put it on the floor?
I'm strong.
No. Okay, let's see what's in that one.
Oh, girl.
Okay.
It's all paper. Well, can I keep these papers?
Yes, you can. Is that a baby toy? Is that a musical elephant? I don't think that's your bag.
Huh?
But let's see what's in there anyways. Look,
I
Olivia.
think that one's mine.
Okay, but let's show Olivia what she got. Elephant keyboard. Are you gonna help her play with that? Wow, a new toy! You used to have a toy like that, you loved it. Good job, Easter Bunny. Okay. What else is in there? Wow, look at your baby toy, Olivia. Happy Easter. Thank you, Easter Bunny.
This is them.
Okay.
It's Olivia.
So let's put the paper in there.
I'll keep here.
You're gonna keep the bag? Okay.
Yeah, I'll keep these.
Okay, here's your paper.
Put it.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, Mommy, I have an idea. You get the other bag, but don't open it. Cause I don't know if Daddy will scratch the door, and so
Oh, look at Olivia go.
have to go open the door. Wait for no bit.
So I can make room for you.
Shake the ball.
Okay. You can put the bag on the floor, honey.
No, this is a good place. I won't make you messy.
Okay, that's very nice.
You just grab the other bag.
You want me to
Elephant
grab it or you want it?
Yeah, tell me. Yeah, grab that bag and I'll clean up these.
Oh, you're gonna clean up his footprints?
It's not real, but it's paper.
Well, he left his footprints behind.
Let's see.
Oh.
Mommy, I can help. Mom, I can help.
Yeah, help.
I can help. No, I can carry that
Oh,
all
it's
by myself.
Oh.
It's help.
Okay.
And put
What?
You got the extra? The Barbie extra, Barbie? Number 4? Is that the cool skateboard one?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Can I see? Let me see that. Hold it up.
What? You finally got that one?
Charlotte, what is that?
Look, cat.
Is that the one with the skateboard?
Yeah.
Skateboard? What do you mean?
Yeah, she has blue hair and a skateboard. That's from the Barbie Extra collection.
Yeah, I have so many skateboards and I want this one.
Oh, you wanted that one?
In my bag. Yes, it is.
What is that?
Wow,
Wow, is that a groomer?
yeah.
What?
A groomer.
Are you like that show Pooch Perfect? You gonna groom these doggies, give them baths? You have like 1 million dogs.
And I know where is my dog thingy.
The carrier?
Yeah, the carrier, but I don't know where.
Are you gonna groom these doggies? I love that.
Is that Barbie?
Yeah.
Wow.
We love Barbie.
I really not
Look at
know.
that, Barbie.
Okay, look at the little pink.
Wow.
We're gonna have so much fun playing with that.
What's that
groomers.
Barbie extra? There's like a dog in the bottom of it or something.
A cat.
A
cat?
Kitties.
Oh.
2 cats and not just skateboards. See the skateboard
She has
and
like headphones, right?
yeah,
Let me
but
see, can-
I do her style of hair. No.
Can you point to it? Where's the cat?
Cat?
Yeah, show me.
Right here, right here.
Oh.
And look at some good sunglasses.
She has sunglasses too?
Think about here. This one.
Okay. I think there's more in there. What?
A Barbie cake.
Is that a doggy birthday party? Puppy? It's a puppy party.
A puppy party.
What? Look at that.
We wanted this.
You
You can
always
make a
wanted that?
doggy bone with Play-Doh.
Thank you, Easter Bunny.
Thank you. Are you gonna make puppy bones?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Our first nail groups.
You must have been very, very good. You got the Go Glam? The nail salon?
What?
You gonna put stamps on your nails? Like you see on...
So then I'm getting pretty. And then I'll not pick them.
Okay, very good.
And I think I have
Are you excited?
Where should I put this? This is small.
Here.
You can move the bed.
Oh, mommy, it's so nice. And what else?
What? Oh, is that a little dolly? There's a street light, and you had a car like that.
What is that? Can I see?
A new car I got on my green car from Chelsea, and I used this one.
Can you turn it around?
Wow. Are you excited? You got so many
And that's
presents.
weird. Cause it comes with a dog, but it don't.
It doesn't come with a dog?
I hope this one will be big or like my bigger stuff, but it will not.
No? You got so many presents.
Wow.
Are you so happy?